In India, women farmers are the significant food producers in their families and their communities, and yet they're not considered as farmers. They struggle to have access to land rights.
महिला किसान जन्मजात किसान है और पूरी तरह से विशेषज्ञ है वो खेती के, लेकिन उसे किसान कोई नहीं कहता। ना किसान कहता है, ना किसान के रूप में उसे पहचान मिल पाई है, ना कोई सुविधाएं मिल पाती हैं।
बहुत सारी महिलाएं गरीबी से झेल रही हैं और उनको बहुत तकलीफ होती है।
हम लोग ऐसे क्षेत्र में जो किसी चीज का जानकारी नहीं मिल पाता है।
I mean, there is no information, there is no resource ownership, there is no control over decisions, and in these kind of situations, to deal with new challenges with the climate change is real challenge.
जब बारिश नहीं होनी चाहिए तब होता है, बारिश होनी चाहिए तब नहीं होता है।
आशा पान जल जमाव से सब खत्म, एक जीविका नहीं बचा।
Climate change, which seems to be like one big animal that nobody seems to understand, these women seem to understand it so well because it affects them every day, their everyday work.
We had decided about this training about 7 months ago, and our focus was that we need to empower those women who are in the flood-affected plains of India, to involve the women in a very participatory manner.
Doing this work in partnership with Gorakhpur Environmental Action Group, a tremendous organization that has decades of experience in both sustainable agriculture and women's empowerment.
New methods, new mechanisms, new technology, so participatory technology development and those kind of mechanisms. So also providing somehow the space to innovate, to learn with the experiences.
And this training is all about practitioners. It's about people who have to deal with it, not in the future, they have to deal with it today.
Today, watching all the women arrive in teams of 2 with a vision for what they want to get out of this training and the action that they're going to take on the ground is so exciting. It makes every minute of this work worthwhile.
पहले तो हम बर्मी वास्प को देखे हैं, बर्मी वास्प कैसे तैयार की हैं तो उसकी विधियां देखेंगे।
वो मचान बना के नर्सरी लगा के और बरसात के सीजन में सब्जी का उत्पादन कर सकते हैं।
तो जिस वीमेन फार्मर से हम लोग अभी मिल के आ रहे हैं, उसने पॉन्ड्स के साथ जो है वो मतलब फिश और पोल्ट्री और साथ में गोट कीपिंग और उसके साथ वेजिटेबल ग्रोइंग, इन सब का एक बहुत अच्छा इंटीग्रेशन किया है।
What we are learning here is women are actually creating solutions within their communities, within their self-help groups. They're using their traditional knowledge systems to farm organically. And the power that happens when women come together and share and learn from each other instead of a top-down model of training.
कि हम एकदम बाजार से निर्भर हो गई, साग सब्जी नहीं हमें खरीदे पड़ल, कौनो चीज बीज हम बनाए लगली, बीज हमें नहीं खरीदे पड़ल, वो हमारी लागत बचे। वो सीजन बचत आवत आवत हम अपन 30,000 35,000 हमेशा फसली हम अपन बचत करत गईली, हर एक तरीका जानत गईली, खेती बढ़िया से करत गईली। यह नाते से हमारे नाम भी चयनी किसान पर गई।
And the exchanges that are taking place are really inspiring. You can see women saying, I'm going to go back to my farm and do this particular kind of a technique. You see women learning about saving seeds and moving from a place of dependency to moving to the place of self-reliance.
ये सब देखें तो हमको तो बहुत खुशी हुआ।
मुझे भी अपने अंदर विश्वास हो गया कि हाँ हम कर सकते हैं।
अपना बल से ताकत से करो, आगे बढ़ो।
मैं किसान हूँ, मैं खुश हूँ और खुश रहूँगी।
The women in teams of 2 have completed their action plans. They have a clear understanding of what they're going to do when they go back into their community.
I think all of us are really humbled by the experience and humbled by all the learnings that we all have experienced from each other.
And what I can also take back is hope and resilience, because if farmers can operate in the kind of atmosphere, the kind of environment that's happening here, then I know that that kind of resilience is something that I'm going to keep with me forever in my life.
And they are going to face the future with a whole new set of tools, of skills, of solidarity, of knowledge, and they are going to create the resilience that we need at this time to address these issues of climate change that are not going away.
Nothing can really happen if you exclude women, and the power of change, of transformation, when groups of women work together, come together, I think that's really being highlighted in this. So it's quite amazing.
When women thrive, communities thrive.